Hi, I'm back again, and this is number 2 in the Dinner with Douce series, post-pandemic. Remember, folks, get your shot so we can get out of this mess. And
is PEI government paying me for that?
Yeah, PEI government, yeah, it's paying me, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah. Listen, I could show you my card. I have my full shots. I'm all right. Rabies and everything. I got all the shots. Anyway, today we're going to make something that a lot of, it's a very easy thing, and I'm just easing myself back into this cooking routine again. And it's Chester the Cheetos. Mac and cheese, and bold and cheesy.
So it's Cheetos flavored Kraft Dinner, basically.
Yeah, Cheetos flavored Kraft Dinner. You know, the guy, the cheetah that's on TV with the cheesies, and he's shooting all the guys with the catapult trying to hit the other guy in the mouth. So this fella, and it's Chester the cheetah. And so we're gonna just read this over here and see what we need. I have to take glasses off to see. Okay, what do we need? French? No, I can't read this in French, even though I am bilingual.
You're not bilingual.
I am. Comment ça va, s'il vous plaît? Anyway, we have this on the stove top, since I'm not allowed to make the microwave direction. All you men out there, the microwave directions are a heck of a lot easier.
Could be women too.
And microwave women too. Yes, that's right. Could be the microwave. The microwave people, it's a lot easier. Anyway, it says boil at least 6 cups of water on high in a medium saucepan. So here's a medium saucepan, and we need 6 cups of water. It doesn't say if it has to be warm, cold, or otherwise, so we'll just take whatever's in the tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. Oh, nice breeze. It's very hot here today. Great summer for temperatures. And on high in a medium saucepan. So we got to put it on high. High. So we'll put them on. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Then we need our butter. Oh, we need our sorry, I almost forgot to put our top on it. There we go. Then boil. So let it come to a boil. Then we're going to stir in pasta and cook for 7 minutes or until tender, stirring occasionally.
So take a quick break until the water boils.
Yeah, we'll take a quick break now until the water boils, and then we'll be back. Remember, get vaccinated. And that's our Cheeto sauce. They're almost ready to put our Cheeto Mac and cheese in. I think he looks like me. No? Oh. He's got the sunglasses on. I don't have my sunglasses on. We have it here. It's boiling. So we pour the contents in. Sit for a couple seconds and stir in pasta and cook for 7 minutes or until tender. So we stir this all in. And if you hear any loud noises, it's just Milo. It's hot in here tonight, cooking over the stove. It's hot outside. He's having a drink of water. We'll put the timer on for 7 minutes. There, we started it, and there we go.
Probably don't want to turn that down. It's starting to boil.
Oh, it's starting to boil. We better turn it down a little bit. It's starting to boil over. There. There we
Take the lid
go.
off.
There. There. You know, she boiled it over a little bit.
Probably just leave the lid off.
I'll leave the hood. I'll leave the hood off. I'll leave the hood off. Turn it back up. I think there should be all right. There we go. We leave that for 7 minutes with my Christmas spatula. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! There, we cooked it for her 7 minutes. Now I'm going to take this off the stove here and put it into my strainer and strain all the hot water off it. There, I turned the stove off. Yeah.
But that has to go back in the pot.
I don't know. There we go. Make sure we get the water off it. It used to be great in the winter time. You warm yourself right up. There we go. Curly, eh? Curly. Not like that KD stuff. This is curly. Charlie Cheeto.
Chester.
No, I call him Charlie now.
You guys are best buds, so you call him Charlie?
Charlie, yeah. Add 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine until it fully melts. I think the last recipe we had butter on.
Only do a half a scoop.
Whoa. There we go. Well, Milo's coming in checking. There. There. Stir this in here. It's supposed to be stirred in here till it fully melts. Fully melts. It gives the buttery flavor. Pretty well all mixed in. Next, we have to add our milk. I have, it's oat milk, it's the same. You can use whatever milk you want to use. And let me see. 4 tablespoons of milk. Well, the boys are here checking things out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, get out of there. He's the official taster. Get out. Get out. I wonder if any of the other great chefs have that problem. just pour it in here. There. Now we have to add our piece de resistance. This is the good stuff.
The Cheeto mix.
Yeah. Special recipe. Nobody really knows what's in it. Secret recipe, just like the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Colonel Sanders. Nobody knows what's really in it. The orange stuff makes things orange. Oh, bright orange. You can put this on the road at night so everybody can see it. Yeah, very bright orange. And we mix that all up together. Changing colors, huh? It's magic. It's magic. Oh, changing colors. Magic. Yeah, magic.
Does it look like a cheesy?
Now if we had the catapult, we could fire 4 of them all at once. It smells like Cheeto cheesies, to tell you the truth. There. That seems to be done pretty good. Milo's not too enthused about it. Get a spoon and give her a taste. Just like they used to do in the old days. Right out of the bowl. Of poor college students. Tastes like Cheetos. It really does. Not bad.
Do you want to eat the whole pot?
Yeah, I made the whole pot.
To make it again?
Oh yeah. Make this again. Might add a little something different to it. But we'd make it again. Well.
What would you add to it?
I don't know. We make it right into a real pasta idea.
What does that mean?
We could put some hamburgers in it. Or some chickens.
Some onions.
Or onion? No, I'm not an onion fan. But we would put some onions in it. Some other spices.
Like what?
Frank's Red's Hot. Put some of that into it too. Or that other fella in Halifax that makes the hot sauces.
Rudy?
Yeah, Rudy's hot sauces. We put some of Rudy's sauces in there. I think it tastes pretty good. Well,
Would it be good with ice cream?
great with ice cream.
Website?
Remember, dealingwithdouce.com. I'm on them all. Also, my next episode, I think I'm going to try and make some meatballs, which was requested from a lady who was originally from Newfoundland. So we may have to put a little twist in them, you know, Purity candy or something, because Purity's big over there. Signing off. We'll see you later. Curly, eh? Curly. Not like that KD stuff. This is Curly. Charlie Cheeto.
Chester.
No, I call him Charlie now.